Ever wondered what 2EHN actually is and why it's considered the gold standard for diesel fuel enhancement? Our Power Enhancer specialists reveal the proven science behind this powerful cetane improver. 2-ethylhexyl nitrate, or 2EHN, is an organic nitrate compound and the most effective cetane improver available, used by refineries worldwide for over 80 years. During compression, 2EHN decomposes at 130 degrees Celsius, lower than diesel fuel itself, releasing free radicals that accelerate combustion chain reactions. This chemical process effectively shortens ignition delay from fuel injection to combustion start. Scientific research confirms 2EHN's superior effectiveness compared to alternative cetane improvers, with consistent performance across different diesel fuel types and engine technologies. Power Enhancer 2EHN delivers pharmaceutical-grade purity through our proprietary double filtration process, removing contaminants that could harm sensitive modern fuel systems. Our formula includes 100% ester lubricant for additional fuel system protection. Typical treatment concentrations range from 0.025% to 0.1% by volume, depending on desired performance enhancement. For comprehensive fuel treatment, Arch Oil AR6900D Max combines pure 2EHN with multiple detergents and system cleaners, while Oilsin Diesel Power DNA and Race DNA feature 2EHN alongside advanced cleaning and protection technologies specifically formulated for different performance requirements. Peer-reviewed research demonstrates that quality 2EHN formulations can improve ignition characteristics significantly, with benefits including enhanced cold starting performance, reduced combustion noise, improved throttle response, and potential fuel economy gains. The ester lubricant in our formula provides measurable protection for high-pressure fuel injection components, particularly important in modern common rail systems operating at pressures exceeding 2,000 bar. Independent testing shows these benefits are most pronounced with lower quality base fuels and in demanding operating conditions. For research-grade 2EHN and advanced diesel additives trusted by automotive professionals globally, visit powerenhancer.co.uk, where science meets performance.